Alright, so I'm gonna do three different pairs of phone pockets, the curls, the cuff drops, and the latest release, the Royal Blue phone. Alright, so here's the curls. Yes, I won them, so the bottom is tight, dirty, but yeah. Alright, these is just like any other earphones, it's just that it has this check on it. Every other phone is not the pros, that's just the earphone size don't have this. And I don't know if you see it, but like these ones, they kind of get dirty in the front easily, and it's hard to clean it out. And like if you wear it like in the rain or something, it's no good because the jeans, because the blue dye, to go over it and take weeks to get it out. Yeah, got the air right there, like you said, like straight inside. You can really see says phone deposit. We got nice check. This little detail right here. Yeah, this is the phone. Alright, now these are the cuff drops. See, like these aren't phone pros. Phone says phone pocket pros. These are phone. They have phone pocket one, so I don't have to check. The red. See, the bottom is different. It has the Penny Hardaway sign. Instead, you need to check on the bottom. Yeah, this is all the same. Right here, it don't spell phone. It got the Hardaway sign right here. No air right here. Hardaway sign. It says Nike Air on the inside. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it. Yeah. These are cool. They don't really get dirty. That's what's cool about them. Because the black material, it's hard to show the unlike the pearls. I got like material. Yeah. Now, for the newest release, royal blue. These have never been worn. See the bottom clean, Penny Hardaway sign, like clear, clear sole right here. Got to show you this detail there, right there. The zoom in. Once again, no check, even phone size. Um, earphone size one. Not the pros. Um, yeah, the blue. Yeah, once again, three blue stripes. Penny Hardaway sign. These never been worn. Never been my favorite, but I heard from a lot of people that the blue starts to like chip off if you just wear them recklessly and running and stuff, chipping